This tutorial will cover how to submit a print job using the St. Albert Public Library's new web release system. After you've authenticated to the library's public network, open up your browser and you can go to print.sapl.ca. You can also access this page by going to the library's website under Use this library, Computers and Internet. Put in the username. So in this case, we are at the downtown location. So we are going to put printdt with the password print. And we'll log in. Go to Web Print. Submit a job. Select the printer we want to use. Typically, you will want to use the copier. Select the number of copies and upload your documents. I'm going to select Upload from Computer, and I have a document here called Test. Open, then select the Upload and Complete. And you'll see that the job is rendering and it is held in queue. So to get it released, if the self-serve print release station is available, you will be able to release it from there. Otherwise, you will have to go to the library service desk located on the second floor and ask the librarian on duty to release your print job.